Macaroni in a pot. That's a... Whoa, hey. Yeah, we're doing macaroni and cheese today. But why are we doing macaroni and cheese? And that's because of you. I've had multiple requests for a macaroni and cheese video. Yeah, they all came from the same person, but what my subscribers wants, my subscribers gets. For this video, we're gonna make a classic creamy stovetop macaroni and cheese with 3 cheeses, and it's probably gonna be one of multiple macaroni and cheese videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so you don't miss out on all the rest of the recipes. But first, to the cheese. First up, sharp cheddar. Then we got Swiss, Ricola, and pepper jack. I got nothing for pepper jack. Now it's time to grate. Nope, not like that. Nope. Grate. Yes, like that. Make sure all your cheese is shredded. Watch out for that sharp cheddar. He's no match for the grater. Always wins. Take your favorite large pot, put it under your liquid ice cube dispenser, set that over high heat, and wait. While we're waiting on the water to boil, let's talk about the perfect pasta for a second. So here, oh boy. Obviously the first one that comes to mind is elbow macaroni, and that is the only one that I don't have with me today. That goes right here, so I'm just gonna Photoshop it in, you won't even notice. Elbow macaroni, I think it's great, although it's a little too, you know. Next up, we've got orzo. The problem with orzo is that there's not gonna be any texture to it, so it's just gonna be one cheesy, gloopy mess, and that's not really what we're looking for. Rigatoni, though, has great texture, and it's got ridges to hold on to all the cheese. However, I think it might just be a little too big for our purposes today, and that leaves us with shells. They also have ridges to hold on to the sauce on the outside, and they're like little cups to soak up the cheese and bring it right to your mouth, so we are gonna go with shells. Once your water is hot AF, as the kids say, add some salt, and when you think you added enough salt, add a little bit more salt. Then add your shells, give it a good stir so the pasta doesn't stick. Cook it until you think to yourself, this could use 1 more minute, then strain it out. We don't want mushy pasta. Last but not least, we make the cheese sauce. So grab yourself a medium saucepan and get it over medium heat. To make sure our cheese sauce is nice and thick, we are gonna make what's called a roux. So equal parts butter and flour go into the pan. Stir it together till it's all incorporated. Let it cook for about a minute or 2, and then grab a whisk, the noun, add 1 cup of cream, and then we are gonna whisk, the verb, until it's all mixed together and comes to a slight boil, and it should thicken up to coat the back of a spoon. This is where we introduce the cheese. Everybody goes in the pool, but not all at once. You wanna make sure to take the pan off the heat, and then 1 handful at a time, add your cheese, stirring to dissolve. Once that cheese is completely melted and incorporated, you can add the next batch. It takes a little bit of time, but trust me, it's worth it, and you will have a nice, thick cheese sauce. Now it's just time to introduce it to the pasta. The best part is you can add as much of the cheese sauce as you like, and it's so good you can even eat it right out of the pot, or add it to your favorite bowl. Share if you want, doesn't matter to me, but enjoy. Oh yeah. You know what this does need though? This could just use a little bit of you hitting the like button to help my channel out. It really does help the channel grow and help these videos be seen by a lot more people. This is one of the best mac and cheeses that I've ever had. So I'm gonna put the recipe in the description. So please give it a try because it is really good. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I am Jim with Doesn't Pay a Full Price, and I'll see you next time. I'm not crazy about elbow macaroni. I like something different, something a little classier. Son of a